Guys, today this week we're going to be doing the scrambled egg but in the microwave. I'm going to teach you a secret. I know you've been wondering why scrambled egg is very simple, but there is something you need to know. You do scrambled egg when you are in a hurry, when you need to put something in your tummy before you go out for your breakfast. So it's really easy to make in the microwave. But there's something I will teach you today to try and you love it. I've got 2 eggs in my plate. Yeah. I'm just going to use the fork to mix it a bit. Just whisk it. And the secret I want to teach you today is the soy sauce. You can see the soy sauce. I'm going to use half teaspoon and add it to the egg instead of salt. Just try it. You understand what I mean? I have just half teaspoon here. I'm going to add it to the egg. Now whisk it around. Then I'll put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. You can see it's out from the microwave. Just mix it for a bit to stay together and put it back in the microwave for another 30 seconds until you get the consistency you want. It's out of the microwave again, so you're going to mix it together until you get what you want. Just keep mixing. And you put it again for another 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, this is what we get. So we have ended up with 1 minute 30 seconds. And this is the consistency I like. It's just perfect for me. And you see, so gorgeous. Honestly, so gorgeous and tasteful. Because I've tried it before, I know you want to try it. It's so gorgeous. You want to try it at home. It doesn't take any time. 1 minute 30 seconds, you're done. Just try it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time. Thank you so much. Bye.